So today, ito yung mga pupuntahan natin. So, ang tour na to, hindi siya sa Klook. Naghanap kami ng magtutour sa atin. So, ang originally na kukunin sana naming guide is yung napanood namin sa vlog ni Ivan. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. So, trinay namin siyang i-contact kaso hindi nagpo-push through yung message and mukhang hindi na rin talaga siya ng tour. So, naghanap kami ng iba. Luckily, meron kaming nakita si Kuya Lee. Makikita niyo siya later. I'm not sure kung dito ba siya talaga nakatira or OFW din siya. So, malalaman natin yan mamaya. So, may sarili siyang car and yun. Fee or yung ano ng tour na to is 100 BND. Dalawa na kami doon. And ayun nga yung mga pupuntahan. Pero hindi kasama doon yung boat ride sa Water Village. Actually, dapat nga hindi kami mag-Water Village pa today. Pero meron tayong pupuntahan doon sa last day natin. So, siningit na namin siya today. So, kaya naman daw, sabi ni Kuya Lee. And then, supposedly yung breakfast dito sa hotel is buffet siya sa baba. But yun nga, dahil nagpa-fasting sila, hindi muna sila nagpo-provide ng buffet. Dahil, syempre nga, fasting nga sila. So, hinatid muna nila yung breakfast namin dito sa room. Dito kami kakain. And meron naman silang menu kung ano yung gusto nyong food and kung anong oras nyo gustong ipahatid. So, okay naman siya. So, ngayon, naghintay na tayo ng oras. Anong oras na ba? 7:19 pa. So, 7:19 pa lang. Sunduin tayo ni Kuya Lee ng 8 AM. So, yung SIM card pala natin, dahil hindi tayo nakabili sa airport, nagtanong kami kay Kuya Lee if pwede tayong dumaan sa bilihan ng SIM card. So, ayun. Ituturo naman niya yung bilihan daw later. Balitaan ko kayo kung magkano and ano yung mga plan. So, ayun. See you later. Balikan ko kayo pag nandito na si Kuya Lee. Good morning, Brunei. So, view from our room.
Because we're just two person, and then how much per box? How much for that?
First stop, Kampong Ayer, Water Village. Let's go. Last night.
Oh, welcome to Brunei.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
And will you be here
Until April 1st.
outside time is good.
Ganda naman ang nila. Oh, ang linis.
Kami dito ang tinga. This is Bal, and then I try to remember Bal and
Pau.
huh?
Pau.
Pau. Pau. Damit ha?
Oh my goodness.
My friend said while doing the first trip he saw a big one. My son brother. It's in the Guinness Book of World Record. You can take video picture because if the boat move slowly, the palace will disappear. It has 1,788 rooms.
Hello.
Ayun, mami, nakita ko ilong niya.
Video. Ah, nice. Video.
Ang laki niya.
Wow.
Sometimes when you get close, they will
They will go.
Yeah.
They're scared of people. Ito yung isa. Ay, yun pala.
Smaller, no? Tinalikuran tayo.
Ay, nagsasalita siya. Oh! Hindi na makita.
Wow, ang sarap ng kain niya.
Buti nauna tayo.
Did you manage to take the one?
Yes, going down.
Yes.
So, hindi ko masyado nakita yung mukha nila, yung ilong lang.
Wala ang ingay nila. Ano? Ano sabi mo? Ha? Kain?
Wala, cute rin maliit.
We try to fit the monkey.
Scared.
Okay, everybody, I'm going to feed these monkeys.
Ay!
Sabi niya, ano yung mga tinitira?
Tinitignan lang nila.
Okay, we go. Libas ko, they will come. See? Okay.
Takot pa rin sila sa tao.
Wait. See? Small one. But when there's a big one, he's too greedy. The big one, yes. Okay, there.
Hello!
They're looking for the food. There.
Hello! Iba pa rin yung mukha nila.
One is bringing the boat.
Ala! May bote siya!
Betul lang nga. Wala. Betul naman.
Ay, ang daming baby!
Hala, kinukutuhan niya yung isa.
Jeep ka?
May bote yung isa, oh. May basura siyang dala.
Kaya try niya i-figure out paano.
Baka malusot niya yung ulo niya. Takot pa rin sila sa tao.
Habis gusto. Habis mo.
Ang galing. At least, di ba?
Kompleto sila.
Modern houses.
2,563,000. This one new already. This is actually a border. A border between two villages.
Oh.
This is one village, this is another village. You see here, what's written here? Kampong, KG, short form for Kampong. Kampong means village. Bakut Berumput is the name of this village. Okay? Bakut Berumput village. When you come here, you will see another name. Come here. You know, this is Bakut Berumput. This one, another name, right? Lorong Sikuna is over there. Lorong Sikuna village, Bakut Berumput village.
Galing.
So if you want to tell, you call the people living here, for example, he's my friend. Hello bro, where are you? Because this house is built on two different villages. Where are you? Are you on the Lorong Sikuna side or Bakut Berumput? No bro, I'm in the middle. Oh, see? Very funny. You can take.
I-highlight po natin yung gold ni Madam.